So today's video, as you may already know by the title, I'm going to be doing easy Halloween makeup. Sorry, it took me a little minute. Well, I can't even talk. It's because I'm nervous. I haven't done a whole video in like a whole last year, but it's okay. Nada pasa. Todo bajo control, amiga. Maybe I shouldn't have coffee. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Glambyjisselle, in case you didn't know me. Ay, yo no sé quién soy. Ay, Dios, ayúdame. It's been a long time since I haven't done a video, so bear with me. I'm a little nervous. You know, I'm talking to myself again. Oh my gosh. No, but I actually like doing videos. It's like a little therapeutic, you know. And I was supposed to be doing Halloween looks this whole October month, but I have one more week left, and now I'm gonna be doing at least, I think, 2 more videos of Halloween. But this video is simple Halloween makeup. Yay me. I found all my ideas in TikTok. Honestly, TikTok has become a part of me. Like, I watch TikTok almost every day. Like, is it a problem? I don't think so. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing easy Halloween looks. The first one, it's gonna be the Purge. I'm gonna put the video that I saw about the Purge mask either here or right here. So all we're gonna be doing is grabbing a white paint and doing the outline. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I think I'm doing it. I'm gonna be using this hot pink one and just tapping it everywhere. It doesn't have to be clean, like I told you guys already. You're just gonna grab a lot. I'm gonna be using the NYX white eyeliner just to line the thing, but I'm putting it in the back of my hand because I don't want to dirty the brush and mess everything up, you know. Oh my goodness, it looks like a star. Oh my goodness. I feel like this whole video I said oh my goodness like 30 times, and I'm gonna have to cut him out because I sound ridiculous. And this is the Purge makeup. Obviously I added a little bit of bejewel right here, you know. I might add more like right here, like where the X's are, just so it could be like, ooh. Hey guys, well, I forgot to film an outro, but I really hope that you guys like it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I'll be back with another video very, very soon. I promise. Like, or to see, I promise. And gotta go because I'm working. See you soon.